Hello, dear followers, welcome to my channel. So what's up? I know you all are spending your time great. Then today we're going to learn the most important thing that you need to know. Then without getting more time, let's go to the video. Yes. Today we're going to talk about the usage of watch, look and see. Just what is the difference? First of all, let's take the word of the see. We use this word to notice something or to become aware of something by using our eyes. Here are the examples. 1. I see a car on the street. 2. You see a car on the street. 3. We see a car on the street. Okay. Let's go. And then now, let's take the word of the look. We look. It means to direct your eyes towards something. And remember to use it, always use the it with the look. Look at. Okay, great. Here are the examples. 1. Look at the car. 2. Look at the plane. 3. Look at that man. Okay, let's go. So at last, let's take the word of the watch. We use this to look at something for some time to pay attention. Let's get examples. 1. Watch how I'm going to do this. 2. Watch the television, it will help you. 3. Watch my new car, man. Okay. Let's go. Now you know how to use these 3 words. You have any questions about this video, comment to me, and I will reply to all the comments that you send me. If you enjoy our video, don't forget to share it with your friends. Let's meet on another video. Have a good day.